Evolution designed it that most women would give birth at night, spontaneously go into labor at night and give birth, following their own body cycles in harmony with the earth. Today, medical interventions have driven the rates of unnecessary inductions and cesareans dangerously high. Today, most women are giving birth Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 during normal business hours. This may be convenient for hospitals and some medical professionals, but is it best for women? The labor and birth hormone, oxytocin, works best at night combined with melatonin, also secreted at night. Are we making birth harder for women? Let's work together to get normal birth off the endangered species list.